watch out for that blizzard blaster. It's slow, but powerful.
Let's RoboGobo go!
Robo wheels!
And Hopper, that baby bird, is without her mama. Get her to safety so she isn't accidentally frozen.
Piece of carrot cake. Robo hop, up and away! Hiya, Birdie. It's not safe here. Let's RoboGobo. No? What do you mean, no? But you're all alone and I'm a hero. You gotta come with me. Max, doesn't it take a while? Is the team okay without me?
Well, Shelly and Wing are freeing the other birds.
Wingo ward these birds. Their ice cage is about to get shell-shocked. Yes, now lead them to safety, bird buddy. While I free Mama Bird.
And Booster's right on Pupsicle's tail.
Melt this frozen fountain, you cold-hearted